Welcome to ABC World TV.
Welcome to ABC Baking Fun. Letters made of treats. Yum, yum, yum. Let's bake the ABCs together. A is for apple pie. Warm and sweet. Give it a try. Yummy A. B is for banana muffin. Soft and yummy. Oh, so fun. Yay, B. C is for cupcake. Sweet and colorful. Hip hooray. Cute C. C is for cupcake. Sweet and colorful. Hip hooray. Cute C. D is for donut. Round and yummy. Treat so fun. Delish D. E is for eclair. Chocolate cream beyond compare. Yummy E. F is for fruit tart. Fresh and fruity, yummy start. Fun F. F is for fruit tart. Fresh and fruity, such a start. Fun F. G is for grape jelly. Wiggle wobble, sweet and silly. Go G. H is for honey cake. Sticky sweet, what a bake. Happy H. I is for ice cream. Cold and creamy, dreamy dream. I love I. J is for jam donut. Sweet surprise in every bite. Joy J. K is for cookie. Crunchy munchy, yum yum yum. Kind K. L is for lemon cake. Zingy tangy, oh so great. Lovely L. M is for mango pie. Juicy sweet, oh my my. Magic M. N is for nut biscuit. Crunchy munchy, yum, admit it. Nice N. O is for orange tart. Bright and zesty, super smart. Oh. P is for pancake. Flip it, drip it, oh what fun. Perfect P. Q is for queen cake. Royal sweet, take a bite. Quick Q. R is for raspberry cake. Berry sweet, oh that's great. Rock R. S is for strawberry cake. Soft and sweet, a yummy bake. Sweet S. T is for toast. Warm and yummy, we love it most. Tasty T. U is for unicorn cupcake. Magic sweet, yum yum yum. Ultra U. V is for vanilla waffle. Crispy drippy, wow wow wow. Very V. W is for watermelon cake. Juicy sweet, oh what a bake. Wow W. X is for XTRA chocolate. Drippy, melty, oh so great. Extra X. Y is for yogurt pop. Cool and creamy, never stop. Yummy Y.
Z is for zebra cake. Stripey sweet, oh what a bake. Zippy Z.
You baked the ABCs, great job. So many letters, yum yum yum. See you next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching ABC World TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time, friends.